Well, this month is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and there's hardly anyone who hasn't dealt with the disease either firsthand or supporting a loved one as they fight on.
But at the Mayo Clinic, they're giving patients a way to keep their hair while they fight their cancer. Honey Rodriguez joins us from the First Coast News Center with this story. Honey, tell us more.
That's exactly, guys. That's right. This type of treatment was first approved by the FDA in 2015. Mayo Clinic is the only facility on the First Coast to have this technology available for their cancer patients. Now, I got to see it for myself today, and I really got to see how truly life-changing and empowering it is.
First thing you think of is, oh my God, am I going to survive this? And almost the second thing you think of is, I don't want to lose my hair.
Sadly, that's the reality for women like Brandy Howerhan who are fighting breast cancer. She told me one of her biggest fears was losing her hair due to the chemotherapy, and she's not alone.
I didn't want to look sick.
Kristen Ferguson, who is now cancer-free, says it was a long and painful journey. She was also afraid of losing her hair.
I used to think it was vanity, and now I think it's just self-preservation.
Dr. Sarah Shumsri, a medical oncologist at Mayo Clinic Hospital, says she actually has a hard time convincing her patients to get treatment.
Patients even decline or refuse life-saving chemotherapy just because they don't want to lose their hair.
But that's about to change, thanks to a recent technology that will help women like Howerhan and Ferguson continue to feel and look beautiful. And it all starts with these cool caps, literally.
So the cold cap has two pieces. This is the most important piece, where all the water will run through at a consistent temperature.
If you apply cold in certain part of the body, you can actually cause vasoconstriction and then help limit how much chemotherapy flow to a certain part of the body.
And that's how the cold caps work. When you apply them to the scalp, it limits chemotherapy flow and therefore helps protect your hair follicles. But it's not exactly a trip to the spa.
It's like an ice cream headache, but that's okay. I have hair. So I'll take it.
I feel like I don't look sick, and I feel like that definitely affects my attitude towards life and attitude towards my diagnosis.
I may have felt sick, but I looked absolutely fine to a lot of other people.
And that's half the battle.
I want to see my kids grow up, so there was never any doubt in my mind that I had to fight it with all I had.
Both of them such beautiful women. I wish them the best in their journey to fight cancer. Now, it is unfortunately not free. The treatment does cost at least $400 a month. You can ask your healthcare provider to how to access that kind of treatment. For now in the newsroom, I'm Honey Rodriguez, First Coast News on your side. We'll be right back.